Dear learners, welcome to the very first lesson of the Swayam course on Santali. I am Ladam Murmu and I am thrilled to be your guide as we embark on this exciting journey to learn Santali. Since this is your first lesson, we will start right at the beginning, learning how to introduce yourself. Language is all about connection, and today we will focus on the most essential building block of communication, basic conversations. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to confidently introduce yourself, share where you are from, and ask someone's name and origin, all in Santali. To make this fun and relatable, we will observe a short conversation between a teacher and three students as they introduce themselves in a classroom setting. Along the way, we will break down the sentences to understand how Santali works step by step. So, are you ready to take your first step in learning Santali? Let's dive in and start speaking right away. Macet, Sagun Seta, Indo, Lodom Murmu. I'm the Okoy. Teacher, good morning. I am Lodom Murmu. Who are you? Patwa. Johar Gomke. Indo, Sadhon Mandi. Student, Johar sir. I am Sadhon Mandi. Patwa. Johar Gomke. Indo, Kunami Baske. Student, Johar sir. I am Kunami Baske. Patwa. Johar Gomke. Indo, Lipi Soren. Student, Johar sir. I am Lipi Soren. Machet. Acha. Indo, Api Machet. Teacher. Okay. I am your teacher. Let's start understanding these sentence structures by examining each part one by one. The teacher's first word, Sagun Seta, is similar to good morning in English. But notice that the students started with Johar, a common greeting in Santali culture. It is similar to Namaste in Hindi, and it carries a respectful tone. Following the greeting, the students added a polite address, Gomke. They used this word for a male teacher. For a female teacher, they would say Cheche Dui, it's madam. Pronouns help make sentences clear and cohesive by replacing nouns or noun phrases, preventing repetition. Here, we will focus on personal pronouns which are used specifically for people. We will learn more about pronouns in the upcoming lessons. In Santali, the pronoun in is similar to I in English. It is the first person singular pronoun which is used when the person is referring to themselves. As for example, Indo Machet Kunai means I am a teacher. Indo Patua Kunai means I am a student. Indo Daktar Kunai means I am a doctor. Here, do is a particle and it uses to stress the subject. Patua means student. This word is used for both male and female students. Notice how the teacher introduced himself by saying Indo Lodom Murmu means I am Lodom Murmu. All these words come together to form a simple set of sentences which will help you to introduce yourself and also ask for introduction. Let's go through them one more time. Indo Lodom Murmu. Amdo Okoy. You can simply replace the name Lodom Murmu with yours and you are ready to introduce yourself in Santali. While asking, you can simply ask, Amdo Okoy. Feel free to review this part of the video if needed. Now, let's look at the next set of sentences. This time, we have multiple student responses for you. Machet. Acha. Inyag orak do Purulia re. Ama orak do Okare. Teacher. Okay. I live in Purulia. Where do you live? Patua. Inyag orak do Jhargram re. Student. I live in Jhargram. Patua. Inyag orak do Baripada re. Student. I live in Baripada. Patua. Inyag orak do Jamshedpur re. Student. I live in Jamshedpur. Patua. Inyag orak do Ranchi re. Student. I live in Ranchi. Let's go through the new words we got here. We have used the same pronouns so far. The pronoun inyag is the possessive form of in. It is similar to my in English language. As for example, inyag ora means my residence. The next word that we need to know here is nyutum. It means name in English. We learned that do is a particle, but here do is stressing the word nyutum, that means name. Then the teacher asked, Ama orak do okare, means where do you live? The new word that we learned here is ora, means residence in English. We also have another question word here, okare. It means where in English. Please observe the place names like Purulia became Purulia. While we talk about Baripada, it became Baripada. This re is a postposition that convey the meaning of in, as in Purulia, in Baripada, etc. Let's look at the question structure. Ama orak do okare means where do you live? The structure is pronoun plus noun plus particle plus question word. Now let's take a look at the sentence structure of an introductory sentence. Let's look at the answer structure. Inyag orak do Jhargram re means I live in Jhargram. The structure is pronoun plus noun plus particle plus answer. Inyag orak do Jhargram re means I live in Jhargram. We started with a pronoun inyag plus noun orak plus particle do plus name Jhargram re. This re is a postposition that convey the meaning of in, as in Jhargram. Let's continue the next set of conversations. Machet. Inyag ayu arang do Santali. Ama ayu arang do Chet. Teacher. My mother tongue is Santali. What is your mother tongue? Patua. Inyag ayu arang do Odia. Student. My mother tongue is Odia. Patua. Inyag ayu arang do Tamil. Student. My mother tongue is Tamil. Patua. Inyag ayu arang do Hindi. Student. My mother tongue is Hindi. Machet. Base. Teacher. Fine. Here, please observe that to state your mother tongue, we have used the structure inyag ayu arang do, such as inyag ayu arang do Santali. Means my mother tongue is Santali. When asking someone about his or her mother tongue, we will use ama ayu arang do Chet, which means what is your mother tongue? As we know, now the word Chet is a question word. It means what? The responses might include inya, ayo, arang plus followed by the name of mother tongue. As for example, inya, ayo, arang do Santali means my mother tongue is Santali. Finally, to acknowledge responses positively, the teacher uses base means fine or good. This structure helps in practicing how to express and inquire about languages in Santali. Now, let's see an informal introduction between two new classmates. Miru, Johar, amdo nawa patua. Miru, Johar, are you a new student? I know. Johar, hoi, indo I nom tutu. Udia department ren patua. Amdo I know. Johar, yes, I am Ainom Tutu. I am a student of Odia department. And you? Miru. Indo Miru Murmu. Santali department ren Patua. Miru. I am Miru Murmu. I am a student of Santali department. I know. Bah. Adinapai. I know. Wow. That's wonderful. The conversation begins with casual greetings like Johar, which we already discussed is similar to Namaste of Hindi and quickly move to introduce themselves using simple phrases like Indo I know means I am I know. The conversation also includes interjection like Bah means wow in English and Adinapai means wonderful in English, making the interjection more personal and less personal. Thank you for joining me for today's lesson. We have covered some foundational concepts that will help you feel more comfortable introducing yourself in Santali. Remember one thing, practice makes perfect. So take a few minutes each day to go over what we learned. In the next lesson, we will dive deeper and expand on these basics. Thank you once again, and I look forward to see you in the next lesson. Goodbye for today and happy learning.